trial for an Ankeny doctor accused of sexual abuse is officially underway. Opening statements started this morning at the Polk County Courthouse. Prosecutors charged Lynn Lindeman last June. Ankeny police say Lindeman inappropriately touched a child he was close to.
We want to warn you, some of the details of this story may be disturbing. KCCI senior reporter Todd Magel was in the courtroom today. Todd?
Stacey and Ben, Lindeman now faces 2 counts of second-degree sexual abuse. And we do want to make very clear we are not revealing the identity of the victim or the victim's family. Lindeman was sitting at the defense attorney table as the trial began this morning. Police say this all happened last June. They say the child he was close to was in his home in Ankeny. They say that's when Lindeman touched the child. The child's parents went to Lindeman's home, confronted him, and then called police. Lindeman's attorney says the child's memory of the incident is not reliable. Now, the victim's father described the moment he confronted Lindeman, and some of the testimony you're about to see has been edited to protect the victim.
The evidence will show that the defendant ordered her to take off her pants, to lay down on his couch, and while she lay there without her pants on, the defendant used his hand to rub her.
We know that children are suggestible. We know that false memories can be implanted. We know that if you ask questions the wrong way, if there's biases in terms of who's asking the question, or if we're rewarding or punishing the child based on their answers, how that can influence what their statements and how they testify.
He initially put his hands up in the air and he said, "Hold on," or "Let me explain," something to that effect. And he was exploring her sexuality.
That was the victim's father there, who fought back tears during much of his testimony today. Lindeman's trial continues tomorrow in Polk County District Court. Stacey?